Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. So I did a video on how to make fire with cotton and charcoal yesterday, and apparently that's something you guys enjoy. So today I'm going to show you yet another method how to make fire. Here we go. Alright guys, so I have 6 1.5 volt batteries and I have a piece of steel wool, right? Now before I show you how to do this, it's important for you to understand why this works, okay? Now what we're basically going to do is we're going to run a current through a very thin piece of wire. And if you understand electricity and wires, you know that there's something called a wire gauge. In the US it's called AWG, or American Wire Gauge, right? And this basically says that based on the current that you're running through a wire, you need to have a certain diameter to make sure it won't burn out, right? So that's exactly the principle that we're going to be misusing because we want it to burn out. So I'm going to try and stretch this out so I can reach my batteries end to end without making it too thin anywhere, and that will allow me to hopefully demonstrate this. Okay, and it's much easier of course if you have one 9-volt battery, but I don't, so we'll have to make this work. Yep, there you go. There you go. So that's kind of what you want, right? And that is all that what needs to be done. And this will easily help you to make a fire, right? Let me put that in here. There you go. That's all there's to it. And you can see it's still going. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, hit that like button if you did, and a subscription is very much appreciated, because then I know you like my content and I'll make more, right? Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.